Hello good people, I'm going to talk about measures of central tendency. Now, what are they? In relatively simple terms, they are used to represent a large set of data with a single or few numbers. As we are surrounded by quite a lot of information and data on a daily basis, it is quite handy to be able to quickly make sense of them. So when given a large set of values, rather than listing them all, you might choose to give the typical value, or you might choose to give the middle value, or you could even choose to give the most frequent value. All three of these are statistical averages, and they are also known as measures of central tendency. At this stage, you might be wondering who are these people that I have drawn and what are these numbers beneath them? Well, these are my 11 cousins, and the numbers represent their heights in centimeters. As you can see, I come from a relatively tall family. So now let's suppose somebody asks me, how tall are your cousins? I could rattle off 11 numbers, or I could choose to give a statistical average. In other words, I'm going to give a single number or a few numbers that will represent all of these 11 values. So what are my options? I could give the typical value. That would mean adding up all the heights together and then dividing them by the number of cousins I have. If I do that, I could say that on average, my cousins are 182 centimeters tall. In statistics, we refer to this as the mean. Another option is to give the middle value. In order to correctly give the middle value, I would have to arrange my cousins in order of increasing height. So let me quickly do that. And then I would locate the middle value. In this case, the middle value is 177 centimeters. There are 5 other values to the left and 5 other values to the right. In statistics, this middle value is known as the median. Instead of giving the mean or the median value, I could also choose to give the most frequent value. As the name suggests, the most frequent value is the value that occurs most frequently. In this particular case, that is 175. It occurs 3 times. So I could say that the most frequent value is 175 centimeters. In statistics, this is known as the mode. So when it comes to representing a large set of data, I can use the mean, the median, and the mode value. Finally, you may be wondering, what is this? It is a sandwich. It has no bearing on the lesson whatsoever. It is here to remind me to eat. That is all for now, and I will see you on the flip side.